なんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
前5
Let's write kanji.
前 This kanji means previous, in front of, and this is how to write this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. The onyomi is close to the Chinese reading, and the kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi is 前 kunyomi is 前 Then let's see example vocabulary using this kanji. Onyomi example is 前回 前 means previous. 回 means times. So this means last time. Kunyomi example is 駅前 Eki means station. Mae means in front of, so this means in front of a station.
Next kanji is
5 5 This kanji means back, behind. Then let's write this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
How to read this kanji?
Onyomi is 5 こうkunyomi is 後ろあと後遅れる Onyomi example is 午後5 means noon and the latter part of 5 means after, so this means PM. As you can imagine, 午前 means AM. Kunyomi example is 後ろ Ro is okurigana and needs to write in hiragana.
You did great today. またね. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.